Hey there! Welcome back to our series where we dive deep into the world of mobile app development, with a special focus on the Ionic Design Kit. Let's get into how this kit can transform your app development process. On the left side of your screen, join us as we explore the fascinating realm of coding through official Ionic documentation snippets. In the middle of your screen, witness our meticulously designed layout, all made possible with the Ionic Design Kit. Meanwhile, on the right side, a phone emulator displays the live outcomes of our coding endeavors. One of the highlights we're discussing today is the search screen. This key feature increases user satisfaction by making it easy to find specific content or features within an app. It is all about streamlining navigation and making apps more responsive to users' needs. Let's talk about the Ionic Design Kit and how it's changing the game. The Ionic Design Kit is like a treasure chest for app development. It's built on the solid foundation of Ionic framework components, offering a wide variety of pre-made elements. This means designers can easily select and place these elements into their app designs without the headache of starting from zero. And for developers, it's a dream come true. There's no need to get tangled up in complex coding. All the components you need are ready to go, straight from the Ionic framework. This toolkit is all about making your development process faster, more efficient, and totally collaborative. Remember, you can pause this video at any time to take a closer look at the details. And for those who love getting hands-on with code, all the snippets we discuss can be found on our website. Ready to level up your Ionic game? Explore the benefits of the Ionic Design Kit for intuitive design and seamless development. Stay tuned for more, and happy coding!